40 minutes for this.
And every year I don't enjoy it, but I don't know why I go. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's finally Friday, and right now I'm just getting ready to go meet a friend at a cafe so we can do some work there together. Decided to walk today because it's such a nice day out. It's actually hot. I don't know why I wore this scarf. Oh, look at all these layers. Sorry if you can hear some background noise. My neighbor downstairs is having a lit party. Today I'm gonna try tackling this one thing that I've been meaning to do for months now, and that's clearing out my closet. Right now, my closet, you can't even really close it because there's just so much stuff in there. Shoes on this side, just tops that can't really be folded and put into drawers here. I have winter accessories up top with hoodies and bags all the way up there. So I'm really trying to live minimally now. Like, I don't want to commit myself to having a capsule wardrobe, but I do want to try to minimize the amount of clothes that I have in my closet because it's just too much. And it's so hard to get stuff out of there because all my clothes are stuck to each other since they're so tightly packed in there. Let's just get started. Selling this. This is a really old crop jacket that I got from Club Monaco. I still think it's cute, but I just haven't worn this in so many years, so I'm just gonna hang this up for now. So I think I'm just gonna sell it. It's the sweater I bought when I used to work retail at cost, and I just don't wear this that much anymore, so it's time to go. This dress from Express, don't see myself wearing anymore. Definitely gonna sell. Gonna do my nails. I actually don't really like doing my nails. I just do it because I have to. Nails are looking crusty. Maybe I'll do this sage color called Yours Truly by Light Lacquer. Actually love this color. At Westbury now, and we're gonna try to get seats at Vincent's Clam Bar. Never tried Vincent's Clam Bar before, but I heard it's really good. Hopefully we can find seats and the wait won't be that long. The wait's an hour and a half, so we go in a Shake Shack.
We waited 40 minutes for this. The bun is so squishy. Oh my gosh. Cleared.
I bet BJ's doesn't have chicken wings either then.
Oh my.
Wow. We should have got it earlier. What a fail. But we got Nutella.
내가 잘못했어. 이제 그만 나를 용서해줘. 앞으로 더 잘할게 라고 약속해 baby oh. 나는 어제 내가 잘못한 거 눈을 뜨고 드디어 깨달았네 baby 왜 넌 너만 보면 감이 자꾸 투정을 부리게 돼 Boy, what do I do? Think on my too.
Always slather on sunscreen. Don't forget your neck. So today I'm going to a Super Bowl party. You know, I honestly don't know why I go every year. I think I watched a Super Bowl game every year since middle school. And every year I don't enjoy it, but I don't know why I go. But here I am, getting ready for another Super Bowl party. Just thought about it this morning. Like, why do I go to these things? It's like a potluck style, so Andrew's making chicken wings today. I don't go to watch the game, but I just go to be with people and eat good food. Are you guys like that? So we're going to Sienna's house today, and her husband recently got a pet bunny named Miko. He's really cute. I'll probably end up playing with him the most. I feel like we bought too much.
We did.
3 full trays. Oh, 더워. Dun 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 dun. 3 trays of chicken wings, 3 different sauces. Oh my god, I'm salivating. Let's go! Let's go. And I have to show you guys the bunny. Hi!
Oh! What the? He's very aggressive when it comes to food. Put it in your hand. Take it in your hand and let him. Yeah. So if he doesn't like you. You obviously want a molten lava tonight, right?
Yes. I suck at arranging flowers. I'm not even using the right scissors.
Yeah.
I think this is better. Dun, 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 dun. What's for dinner?
Having some steaks, delicious shrimp rosé pasta.
That sizzle. Oh my god. Oh shoot! Splashed all over my face. Crispy. Going into Brooklyn for work today because we have another model shoot going on. I don't have to leave until another hour, so just spending my time drinking coffee at home because I don't want to buy $6 coffee.
Call me to be closer. Wish I paid attention. I should have known. You're probably with your friends, dancing on TikTok. Hands in his hair, alright.
just finished the shoot and now I'm on my way to Capper to get my bracelet fixed because it just broke out of nowhere. And luckily it's only a 10-minute walk from where the shoot was, so I might as well take advantage. I got a new one. Such good things about this place, Hungry Ghost, but I don't think I have time to pick anything up today, so kind of bummed because I always wanted to try it, but it's like 6 o'clock right now and I don't think I need coffee in my system.